Hello everybody and welcome to Henry's Watches. In today's video I have nothing special or really watch related on the planning, but I want to do a quick update on the STEELDIVE mod project I had scheduled. To be honest, I tried to remove the bezel from the STEELDIVE and I've found out there isn't a way to remove it without damaging the bezel in a very brutal way. So it's not cancelled. This will be a donor movement for the actual new mod subject or new mod watch, but we actually proceed with a pre-modded SKX 009. This is an original Seiko watch, except someone has put an aftermarket dial and handset on it. I already put the new Ghost Mode bezel in, as you can see, it looks pretty good. But I want to do a quick update so you guys know what's going on. So that's basically it. I hope you guys are stoked for the next episode, where I will be replacing the chapter ring and the crystal. In the last episode I will be putting in the NH36 from this one and putting a custom dial and handset on it as well. I also have a new metal strap coming in, a oyster style, to finish it off, and I hope you guys like the actual end result. So we will see. So thanks for watching. If you did like the video, or you did like the actual mod plans, just leave it in the comments. It will always be appreciated. So, bye bye.